In fact, today I have a meeting in Deputy Commissioner Office in July to review about the positive case in Darrang village, which, as you know, that the Darrang, Snongpreng, Lemba, Kongwang, Dauki, Bakur have been declared as a containment zone. And in Darrang itself, there are 44 positive cases. And we know that Darrang is a very congested village. There are about 190 households there, plus minus. And about 28 households have been affected. So we have discussed with the district administration and the health department what to do, what plan of action to do, so that to ease the problem faced by these people of Darrang, of Dauki, of Bakur, all those villages, and what is the way forward. So I have a meeting there to discuss there. The protocol, the last protocol is issued by the government, is that after 10 days, those asymptomatic cases, they may be released. But since this is a new strain, so we discussed there, at least those people could be who have already completed 14 days or 10 days, as the case may be, they could be retested, so that this will become as a case study for us also. Moreover, we will know what type of strain and how it affects the people, and what is the way forward. So the medical team will do the needful. After that, then we will review again what is need to be done. And number two, we have since we have seen the caseload in that area is increasing, so the DC has written to the NHM that to keep to push some more lab technician there, so that they could collect the sample of that area, because it is spread not only there. We know from Hongkong, Dauki, Bakur, and Darrang. As of now, there is no case till I speak that from Snongpreng and other village. So that also we have discussed, and we have discussed also the need of the people that the SDO civil will coordinate with the village village Darbar, what need to be done to ease the problem and the suffering of the people related to this case. So these three issues we discuss, and as I said, we will review it. I will review it every day to know what is the thing there, and because we want to, the people should not suffer. Preliminary report, which we know that it spread from the, there are one lady who expired, and then from that place, many people went to funeral, and then from that place it is affected. But how far, where they get, those people, how they get, that I cannot say right now. The theory is that there is one lady, she is from Darrang only, because of her relative expired. She stays in Ribhoy, she went there to attend the funeral. After that, when she returned back to Ribhoy, then she was hospitalized. After hospitalized, we found that she was tested positive, and from there, our contact tracing in Makeda is very strong. Then under the surveillance team from Ribhoy, they contact West Giant Hills surveillance team, and they do. And in the first day itself, they could get about 11 positive cases, and that it continues. So as today morning, 44 of them have been tested positive, and some of 200 plus sample, we are still waiting for the result. So because of this, so we have held the meeting today. So I will review, and we will see how to ease the problem of the people.